So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hi, welcome to Beyond the Books. I'm still your host, Lihle Dlamini, and this is another episode where we still get to explore what students are up to around campus besides their academic work. So today we have Richard Dlamini. I know that you guys probably know him from the elections, but let's not dwell much on that. Hi, Richard. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Tell us, who is Richard?
My name is Richard Dlamini, and I'm born from Benetton Moho, so I was born from Mpakatin Wasemvini. I think you know Ivan Koskekela, so he's a brother to me. But it's a long story. So I'm currently studying here at Kwaniseni under the Faculty of Social Sciences. I'm doing my bachelor's degree. I'm majoring in public administration and economics. I'm currently in level 2. So a bit maybe background about myself. I'm a young person who is passionate about my life. I'm a hard worker. I've done so many things that have contributed to where I am today. I've traveled the road around the world. I think you have
Because I've been seeing your posts,
yes,
you with white
my
people.
post, yes. Actually, maybe inside in shop.
Oh, no wonder you are Richard.
Yeah,
What does that mean?
Yes, I think I have to be grateful to God because He has provided me with such precious opportunities. I have traveled to Spain, France, Sweden, and then maybe around South Africa, going to Cape Town so many times. I think, that is what you can know about me. Because if I can speak all maybe a majority of the things you can.
Now it actually explains why I always see you with white people on your status.
Yes. Actually, it started in 2017 when the president church, I'm an Anglican by the way, so he shared a link in our WhatsApp group that it was about a leadership training program. He encouraged us to apply, and then I took an faith and applied. And come to my surprise, ngakhanza ukuthi lifuneka 25,000 tuition fee, and the travel expenses I had to cover for those. But being the person I am, determined, and umuntu lothatha ema chances, ngangena kule link nga-apply, bayithatha application yami, and then baba like, okay, can you be able to raise 25,000? But no, I cannot because I don't have a good support system. And then they told me that, okay, it's fine. We can cover your tuition fee, but you have to transport yourself. And then I went to my priest at church, and then I'm telling about the program. Over like, oh, it's a good initiative, but I must what do serious unless they know someone well. And by the time I was the first person, is okay, we can give you the transport, like if flight tickets, back and to Cape Town. And if you are shocked, it's not like you know, I've seen it. I've read about it on my website. It's a good program. And then that is where everything began. Now you are seeing me with balloons and everywhere. So apparently now figure Cape Town, let's see under leadership based on political and church in the church space. I think that is where I got content about the Israel and Palestinian, because those people who are behind the progress. I think you noticed this. Someone, Bishop who was active during his strike. So he was part of the project together with this one, trying to empower young people to be brave and strong. So it was about faith and political. We were equipped about leadership and that. So now speak upon it was a 3 months course. During the 3 months, normally we were pick out 2 people from South Africa by a France, by a winner, something interact in a community service environment. So the abantu labaningi angathi ngabadetine because it's not like i-institution lemfundo like nje ngathi ma-directors the guy angathi ba-interested yini. And then baba like, okay, Stella Buktat. No, I'm not doubting myself, but I'm fully back because they were like, okay, actually, I mean, you know, the bank better than a king, king, our king, is so now can we take you, that's the third person to go to France, Tazen, I think we can search it. And then we can go there at your own time, to handle your the ngakuthatha serious but ngabuye ekhaya ngabatshela ukuthi ngabakazi ngibona like okay eFrance lemfana ngeke like kuhle nalwagibela indiza and then okay fine bese ngigibele ngiCape Town but so igibela uyangishare letilwazi like okay bayangalela yes alone
you can understand though parents
ngaba like okay it's fine angimele eCape Town ngaba like okay buye ngisemaphepha ngaba like mina ekhaya kwathi midway bangimelela bathi this is the last chance and then 2018 lapho sen 2018 and then bangibida ngabe sesen it was a process. I had to apply for a visa Maputo, come back, reject visa, and I prayed about it. But there's this part of me that I always dreamed of it. Like I dreamt about this whole thing, like going to Cape Town and all the thing. So I dreamt about this trip to Europe before it happened. And I dreamt about encountering problems. And then when I encountered the problem of suppose, I can't say that the rubber like that trying millions of my I came back and I shall put this one. But like, I'm not the science, it's out and there's so much but out there.
I imagine how you felt about that.
No, like, you know, I was so like, serious. I'm not lying. Like, ngamshayela nangena umhlumeni njengoba like enkosi kwalilo wathi nawo nkosi sotawusala ngathi nawo nkosi ngiyakhona ebhasi uyabade bafundisi ngesandla lesifirit mina I knew ukuthi ndofana and then nangifika ekhaya nga-emailela kade because I was communicating in France first ngamtshela sibalile ngebhasi alright okay you call them from consulate wamshayela. It was Monday. I was supposed to go on Thursday. Monday that rejected visa. Mind you, visa for 7 days. But the faith of it now, but like, you know, Bank China just stay in Museum for but something going to read the passport from the passport, Madame the Sabbath attach and then Thursday, Jasha. Oh my God. And which is who I am. So
that's quite a history.
Yeah, it's a great change. And part of who I am, ngicabanga ukuthi ngikoloku ngaphile nyalo to the person I am.
Was it ufele to like campaign?
Yeah. Okay, as I said, Cape Town. I was a shy guy, someone who was marginalized.
So you had to get out of your shell.
Yes, there's this part of my life. I think I will share one thing. Maybe I'll come back to this platform. Sharing, open up, because sometimes when things are open up there will be a lot of questions that talk that side. France, so there's everything I understand with the part of it darkness. And once a person walk on overcome the darkness. So that is why I mean when I get my elections, everything I think of I do it.
That's good. It's a very great personality that you have. I'm inspired as well.
Thank you so much. I think I'm inspiring people. And maybe one day you'll read a book at the same time. I think now I'm in page 16.
Wow.
Yeah, but now I'm listening to the talk and good design send me. And I think I shared with someone, a friend of mine that is a marriage, one of why phones are but like every day. Where sunshine so cloudy when I go look down. It was such a start something coming with true, but I cannot because the producer is so you will read that. Yeah. Okay. So eventually that is me, a big part of you. Yeah.
I know that you have this business here, DSTV.
Yes.
Tell us a bit about that. Upiganjan, is it a family business? Did they teach you about it?
Okay. Actually, nangi ka fomo. My coding got came nasa school. So, bese esikoleni. Okay, normally bengivamisa kuhamba ngemoto yami noma ngakwazi kusendweni. Bekafundisa at primary instrument high school. So bekamlayisha. So this day, the particular day, bekavamile. And then obviously so yangitshela singeka hayi, and then I had to take ikhumbi kusela. Nangifika nje le-station, afika lamakhumbi ngiwayekela nje. Then afika bangi-3 ngafikela le-school. They were racing about bamajida khumbi. Ekuseni, they were always against time. Bajaka kuthatha ama-custom. Like bebagijimisa. So ngagibela ngahlala ePrime City. Angifika ngisifele. Sanford indoda yemoto, yashayisana nemoto. Lucky nga-blackout apha. And then later on, 2019, ngasesengithola imali kayo. So ngabe sengiba like, okay, I used part of this money ngale-start esikolweni, because bengingaphasa. Ngabuyela esikolweni, part of it ngakhonga, like getting my own skills.
So you have your own space as you speak.
As I've said before, there are so many things that I cannot speak here, but it out any later as I'm speaking. Yes, I've got things I am. Key there is the same. Okay, send that place, but near the good side of my own place. So ngahamba ngayokhonda, and then ngakha just a bit center, and then lekhona. So part of the money, ngathi no, I cannot use it all. Okay, the plan was to invest in fixed, but ngaba like, I will need this money, but ngikhona ukuthi ngiyikhiphe ngibeke because imali yonhlala ngisethe. So ngaqala le business. I started with 3,000. Like nga create accounts, nga the application, and then I started to. Yaqala yaphuma ke yaba right. Then ngibakha bo 2.5 ngenyanga. Yes, monthly. And then basically DSTV as unyaka uchubeka uyengise maternity, and then I'm fired. Survive.
And then we get to the skill of yours of installing solar panels.
Okay, 2023. Let me say 2022 December. Towards December, the university yakhipha i-adverts. Yaka renewable and sustainable energy. If there should be individuals that are interested in learning leadership and sustainable energy, and then apply. Nakhona nga-apply nje ngithi nga-apply nje because bengiphasive ngaba like okay apply ngithathe nabo short course ePlanetary. And then December I was preparing for a conference in Sombeni, this last semester, and then I got a phone from the department to ask them, like you are admitted to come and to the success of the leadership and sustainable energy. Part of the install solar, work handicaps using producing biogas using decomposable substances like.
Sounds very scientific.
Yes, and logo I'm still waiting to explore. So Nyalo, the skin, it was a 7-8 weeks course. Gets out. And then before we tend to didn't join. We short course. So I got that skills for the solar panels and near 17, but civil professional because in Senga just to come back. I understand such skills you need to go to the energy regulator or a campus 70 this thing, a company X to register come back. I'm not sure of the procedure, but I know that you need to register for a company. So I went that illegal, though I've seen for them because I've got this kid. So
yeah, true.
Yeah, so yeah, and now I'm looking at sustainable because as a young person and as a student, you need some extra activities that don't get income, especially with the cuts with dollar. Is Lana that allow saving money, and then yeah.
All right. So let's just play a bit of a game. I have one question for you. Any interesting facts about you? Any fun facts about you? Maybe and people don't know about that.
What do I feel? I don't know. I feel I'm Ngiyadla. Okay. Angisabi umjolo per se, ngisabe rejection.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, angisabe rejection. Rejection because I know how it feels to be rejected.
Mm-hmm.
But funny fact about myself, I'm a ball-gate. I go for anything I want and I feel. And
No man, like your mom or your dad said, but the France and Panama will, but you're like, I'm going there.
Imagine, ngathi nangibabikela ukuthi nge-France. Baba like, France, wena, nase-France, uyogibela indiza, sitawuke sibone batak traffic. And then nangehla eMadrid, guys, nangifika eMadrid, ngaba like, okay, there was a bit of confusion, because bekufuna ngehle eMadrid, ngithathe lenye indiza, iyongibeka eLyon, before pick up eLyon. So nangifika eMadrid, it's a very, very huge airport. Inkhulu ngisatsho ukuthi ngasuka eMbabane. I think yofika angada ngese ngikhona ukubekisa but maybe go stay so. Because angada ukuthi sengiya over exaggerating but inkhulu ngisatsho ukuthi wehla uthatha isitimela yabo. So nangehla ngithatha lesitimela ngiyabona ukuthi ufuna ngihle ku. Sekubhalwe in Spanish but I can't because ngihlala. Ngibe like what sengingcini. But ngakhumbula amagama athi boyowendani wathi part of traffic but ngabe sengathi ngeke ngikula ngibeke.
Hey, you something else that I should say.
So yeah. So you mentioned something about my elections.
Yes, my elections.
I was running for secretary. Not just because I'm secretary ku Lami and most of the kukhona organization njenge-insurance service secretary ngiyathanza kubhala ezamwriting but ngiva kwangathi strength sami sila my executive powers because I can assess i-decision ngibuke kahle ngi-interpret ukuthi taba influential itawuba beneficial. So I was running for secretary apparent solo ngimadwe ngawushayela izandi but it was a sweet victory because the students bangivotela baba baningi and watshengisa they believe in me and I can assure them that they believe in someone who can do it.
Because you're also part of the house committee.
Oh yes. I'm part of the house committee. Not good things that cool. I like to step up to irresponsibility. I'm a very responsible person. Part of campaign ngiyacampaign as secretary SRC. Bengitshela abafundi ukuthi university nethinking, uhulumende nethinking and we are the largest or the biggest or the most important stakeholders of the university, right? Ngeke kube ne-university singekho thina student.
True.
And ngeke ma-student abebone ukuthi university. So bengibatshela ukuthi we need to take care of ourselves. We need to think beyond our needs. Instead of waiting for the management to come and give us enough solutions for the problems that we are facing the challenge. For example, Emashawa, Zinenje is 216.
So you have an expose.
No, I'm not exposing, but I'm speaking facts.
Sure.
There's some, I want to get somewhere with this. We are 216, and below 216, we only have 4 showers. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can imagine the line extend as your girls. 1. Whereas 2, you can imagine the stress ukuthi dawunavuka ucabanga things line shower ayikuthi ngithoza reference but labanye vele ngeke bageza isikhathi but ngiyadlala so
okay.
So ngiyathi imagine that is that so ngicabanga lokuthi part of the campaign yami beyithi we need to take a step further like sithathe irresponsibility as a students. We can do this by sibhalele tinkampani siticele for my funding. I know the university can give us the access or they can back us up for this initiative. Sibhalele maybe Montique simcele 2 emaklisi, sibhalele Pick and Pay simcele 5 emaklisi.
That could work.
Exactly. And sibhalele their boards, their billboards lala ngaphandle laba-advertiser tinkampani tabo. Or go business for cash bill, go buy cash. We can even go to parliament. Sicele donation from MPs. Since now uhola leyo portion of imali yakho, usinikete nje maybe 100 rand. Nasihlangana na 100 rand bonke to get the cabinet in House of Assembly. Ukuthi singamhlanganisa maybe 13,000. Leyo mali leyo sithathe sambe sihambe block by block. Sizame ukubalansisa like, okay, sengiveda icebo lami, angathi but angikopele, ningangikopeli guys icebo lami. Ngi-embarke on a mission. Kule campaign yami lebe ngokukhampeni, I decided to implement it. Ngaya kwadeni ngamcela ukuthi there is this issue eMashawa. Siyathi singeke basinde. And I'm not trying to expose the institution to bantu abangaphandle, but already vele bayasinde. Ngathi ngicela kubhala that ngapha like ngithi ibhalele as house committee. Ngicela ama donation. I know ukuthi out of 10 maybe ngamthola sure nangabe abemani nayo. And then because I believe ukuthi umuntu ngeke anginikete something angaqethi ngiyithini. Ufuna ngibatshele ukuthi ngithini. So what then wanginikete go ahead. As I'm speaking kunencwadi bese okay ngiyibhalile ngamnikete proposal wayilungisa ngoba ngayilungisa then ngamnikebisela uka DSA nyalo. Like you ingilungisa. So I'm hoping ukuthi by the end of this week or next week tabe sekuphelile and then I will start writing to companies. He was happy ukuthi at least there is a student who thinks ukuthi i-solution kuyichambe kuthi. And then additionally nginakile ku student body last week we are meeting with my students. They voiced these problems and someone even washo ukuthi as a former assassin bayendi audit bamba basubmita ku Senate but kude i-solution there. And I was shocked. Lokuthi my students they always dose out my problems but they don't want to take the responsibility and suggest ukuthi senda kanjani. So yeah, that is my part of life of being a house committee.
I understand. Yeah, that's quite a lot that you're doing.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I know that you have a lot to tell us and it's very interesting. However, due to the interest of time, I'm going to have to wrap up today's episode. Guys, thank you for listening to us. I know that you probably have a lot of questions, but we've come to the end of today's episode. Richard, thank you for honoring our invite. We really appreciate your presence today and all of this information. And from me, Lihle Dlamini, stay curious, guys.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.